everybody, I'm Caleb with RHRSwag, here to show you our new and improved B lights, our battery LED lights. They take 3 AA batteries, they're pretty spiffy. They got that 3M adhesive on the back, as well as the battery box here. And they're new and improved because you don't have to deal with a screwdriver anymore. You don't have to put a screwdriver to change your batteries. You just have these simple little clips, right like that. But some questions we've gotten is, well, once I mount it, how do I get to those clips? And that's what I have right here. So say you mount it on a flat surface, but you got really strong muscular hands and you can't get your fingers behind those clips. All you do is take your handy dandy screwdriver and you just pop her in there just like so, and you can easily open it once it's mounted. So it'll show up to you like this with a fancy little reel thing, all nice and neat in a little package. And you can mount them just about anywhere, like a trailer, so you can find all of your tools. Or in the cockpit of a race car. Or you can use it as an under-deck light so you can see all of your suspension in a dark pit area. Or on a pit cart so you can see everything inside. Or anywhere else you can think of. So go ahead, check it out at RHRSwag.com and you will get it with free shipping.